You bought a DLC, you downloaded it, but when you start the game, nothing appears. No new mission, no new characters, no bonus content. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, this is a very common PS5 issue. In this video, I will show you the exact steps that actually fix it. Step 1. Confirm the DLC is installed. First, make sure the DLC is actually installed. From the PS5 home screen, highlight the game, press the Options button on the controller. Then select Manage Game Content. Here you will see all installed add-ons. Look for the DLC you purchased. If it shows not installed, select Install. If it already says installed, move to the next step. Step 2. Restore game licenses. Sometimes PS5 cannot verify the DLC license. Restoring licenses usually fixes this. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to Other, then select Restore Licenses. Now select Restore. Wait for the process to complete. This refreshes your account ownership for games and DLC. Many players report this instantly activates missing DLC. Step 3. Check game and DLC region match. This is one of the most common problems. Your DLC must match the region of the game. For example, a USA game disc needs USA DLC. If you bought DLC from a different region store, it may not work. To check the region, look at the small code printed on the game case spine or disc label. You can also check the product code online. If the region does not match, the DLC will not activate. Unfortunately, the only solution is purchasing the DLC from the correct region account. Step 4. Restart the game in console. Sometimes the game simply needs to reload. Close the game completely. Press the PS button. Highlight the game. Press Options, then select Close Game. Now restart the console. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart PS5. After the restart, launch the game again. Many games activate DLC during startup. Step 5. Check in-game activation. Some DLC does not appear automatically. You must unlock it inside the game. Open the game menu. Look for sections like Downloadable Content, Add-ons, Extra Content, Store. Some DLC appears only after reaching a certain mission or level. For example, new outfits or bonus missions unlock later in the story. If the DLC shows as installed but locked, this is usually normal. Step 6. Restore console as primary. If you use multiple accounts, the DLC might belong to another account. Log into the account that purchased the DLC, go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to Other, then select Console Sharing and Offline Play. Turn this option on. This allows all users on the console to access the DLC. If your DLC still does not activate, comment below and tell me the game name and the problem. I reply to comments within 1 hour and I will help you fix it. If this guide helped you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to TechVibes. Stay calm, stay patient, your DLC will work, and now you know exactly how to fix it.